नित्यानन्देश्वर समारम्भां नित्यानन्देश्वरि मध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome all of you with my love and blessings. Today I wanted to give the gist of what I am trying to do to the world. Please understand. It all boils down to just one or two words. Whether the temples I am building or the programs I am conducting, from morning Nitya Satsang to free webinars to NDY, NKY or Inner Awakening, level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, whatever, or the future, level 5, level 6, level 7 is going to happen. All that put together, please understand, the essence is basically awaken your Kundalini Shakti. Awaken your Kundalini and raise it to the highest peak frequency. When the Kundalini moves inside the system, at different areas it experiences different frequency. Raise it to the highest frequency and celebrate the life, enjoy the life as you want with this extraordinary, overflowing, excessive, luxurious life energy. Understand? That's the word I have to use. Only when you are, please understand what I am saying now, even medically verified statement, only if you have an excessive energy, these muscles even expand in smiling. Understand? Otherwise, how people smile, you know? Now I am telling you, life should be lived with luxury of energy. I am telling you, if you think the car you drive, the chair you sit, and the house you live, that only demonstrates your luxury. That is the symbol of your luxury. You are cheated. You are just cheated. That shows only one aspect of your luxury. If you are made to believe the house you lived, car you drove, and furniture on which you sat is the luxury. See, even if you believe that is the way to show you are living in luxury to others, okay, it can be tolerated. But if you believe even personally that is the way the life should be luxurious, even for your own being, then something seriously wrong. You are cheated, exploited. If I have to use little dirty words, I don't want to use. You yourself imagine. I think by now everyone knows what I wanted to say. Somehow these dirty words are so universal, you don't need to utter them. You just put dash, 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 everyone fills it immediately. That is the power of the dirty words. You don't need to utter them. Anyhow, leave it. I tell you, it is the luxurious energy you carried in your stomach, in your heart, in your throat, in your face, in your crown. That is luxury. That is the best luxury. I tell you, when you wake up in the morning, the energy you carry in your stomach is, are you carrying a cramp, or are you carrying the gas, or are you carrying an uncomfortable acidity feeling? What are you carrying in the stomach when you wake up? And by the time you get ready for your everyday routine, you remember your everyday, what is the energy you are carrying in your heart? The moment you remember, you have to go to your office, you have to meet your family, you have to meet your team lead, you have to meet your team, you have to meet your boss, you have to do your everyday actions. What is the experience you carry when you remember your everyday routine in your heart? What's the energy you feel near your chest? That decides whether you are living luxuriously or not. The way you carry yourself, what your shoulders are feeling. Are you walking like this, almost collapsing, or are you carrying yourself? That decides. I was shocked to see Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was arrested by British and being taken. I looked at the picture 20 times or more than that. All the fellows who are carrying him look like prisoners. And he looked like the boss of the seat. It is supposed to be the other way. They are all arresting him and taking him, but the way he was carrying himself, that shoulder, the way he was carrying his eyes, all the other fellows are frightened. You can see this photograph. See how many people standing with folded hands, even the people in uniform. The so-called people who are supposed to be keeping him in their custody. Lion is a lion is a lion. You can never cage him. You can never cage him. I think if I scan with the consciousness of the Bharat, Bharat has a standard. It has its own standard. The consciousness of the Bharat. I'll declare Netaji as one of the tallest leader this country has ever seen. Conscious leader. I have not seen the photographs of Chhatrapati Shivaji. I know if I have seen Chhatrapati Shivaji's photographs, I'll be more expanding on it. I'll be celebrating him. I can imagine how Chhatrapati Shivaji would have lived. But with available photographs and all that, I can be so sure this man really has the courage, comes from Atma Bala, means knowing the truth. Experientially, death cannot happen to us. Death doesn't happen to us. Understand? There were tons of enlightened beings on the planet Earth, walked on the earth in India, in this Bharat. There were few thousands at least who radiated that experiential, the courage of enlightenment, the luxury of enlightenment in their day-to-day activity. Subhash Chandra Bose is surely one of the tallest leader who carried the luxury of Kundalini energy, the luxury of enlightenment energy. I am 100% sure, I am giving you guarantee, he can never die in accident. He has not died in accident. He must have been real hero who created the concept. He died in accident for some purposes. I tell you, every night, what kind of a space you are just dropping yourself. You see, you are like a huge, large size bag of cotton. If you soak the cotton bag into red color every night, next day morning it will be red color. If you soak that into green color, next day morning it will be green color. What kind of a dye color you soak the cotton bag, next day it will be that same color. One day if you soak in red and next day you soak in blue, it will be mixture of both. Same way, every night, what kind of a space in which you are soaking you are just dropping you. Next day when you come out of that will only be dripping you around. You will be oozing out only that. In what you dropped you, next day you will be dripping that. Same thing. Drop yourself every day in highest Kundalini. I tell you, the definition of sleep, definition of sleep, definition of sleep, you should never feel tired, bored when you close your eyes and rest your body. You should not be feeling restless. Understand? Restlessness means insomnia, sleeplessness. Turning this side, that side, tossing around. Neither you should be exhausted and drop yourself in the bed and fall asleep, nor you should be restless without getting sleep. It should be just entering into the energy space. And it is possible. I am not giving you any great theories. No. Just remember, last 10 or 12 hours, the wax with which you made this world, the circus tent with which you opened and running your circus, now wind up the whole thing, melt down the whole wax and drop it into the source and relax. In the circus tent, the poles and the cloth and the lamps, rings and the ringmaster, animals and the visitors, viewers, fans who are clapping, and few people who are protesting that animals should not be tortured. Everybody is you. Every night when you are dropping into that space of powerfulness, remember, everybody is you. You are doing this drama. You already gave the script to all of them and playing the game. You are doing this drama. You have given the script. Just relax into that powerfulness which comes when you do completion every night. Before falling asleep, just complete whatever incompletions you remember and fall into that powerful space. Fall into that powerful space. Neither you should be tired or bored or exhausted when you fall asleep, nor you should be restless, sleepless, feeling insomnia. Understand, insomnia and tiredness both are same. Don't ever imagine if you are tired you will fall asleep. No, it is not true. It is not true. You should never fall asleep if your body is aching, body is having any pain. Complete with all the physical, mental pains, boredom, all that, and just drop. Complete. When you fall asleep in the space of completion every night, your Kundalini will be raised to its peak. Because awakening the Kundalini and keeping it in its peak is more easy in the night time while you fall asleep than in the daytime. Because in the daytime there are so many distractions. Even if you raise your Kundalini up, the moment you see your spouse, it comes down, tatak. And then you remember Anandagandha, this, that, completion, and bring it up. The moment you see your boss, tatak. And then you do something and tak, 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 bring it up. The moment you see somebody who gave you the loan, thumb, down. It just goes up and down like a roller coaster. But in the night time, if you just relax into the space of completion and soak yourself, drop yourself in the Kundalini energy, listen, then you will just have the luxury of life energy, Kundalini. Luxury of the Kundalini is the gift I am giving it to the world. Understand? Anybody who claims you are my disciple, follower, devotee, you should have received this gift, luxury of Kundalini. Luxury of Kundalini. That's the right word I'll use. No question of any powerlessness. The way you carry you, the way you walk, talk, sit, see, people should know you are carrying a VIP inside you. You are carrying somebody very important in your heart. When I had the enlightenment experience, first instruction Kuppamal gave me is this only. Around 2.5 days I was in that vast 360-degree experience. It will feel like as if the whole sky is centered on my Anandagandha. If I have to put a cartoon, huge, the whole sky, and I have to bring 2 lines and connect it to my Anandagandha. It looked like a huge balloon which is tied to my Anandagandha, and that balloon is the whole cosmos. She used to cook and feed me, and she also used to give a lot of uncooked herbs to prepare my body and keep my body stable. The first instruction she gave after 2.5 days, remember, Brahmaivaham. Please understand, she says, remember, this body is the vehicle of Brahman, cosmos. She did not tell me, Aham Brahmasmi. She said, Brahmaivaham. Means let this body is a vehicle of that Brahman. You are carrying the most important person in the world. Not VIP, very important person. MIP, most important person. Let's create a new word. Most important person. Brahmaivaham. Luxury of the Kundalini. Again and again I want to repeat that word. Luxury of Kundalini. Veda Shastra, Guru Tattva, Swayam Ananta Lakshanam. As per the Vedas, Shastras and teachings of the Guru, myself is the pure bliss. When you come to this experience, that's what I call luxury of Kundalini. How you carry your shoulders and neck every day when you walk out of your room to live your life. What you carry in your eyes to share with the world. Understand, whatever you carry in your eyes, nose, face, mouth, it gets shared with the world without even you pressing the share button. Without you clicking the share button, it gets shared. That is why Vivekananda says, if you are carrying stupid depression, don't come out of the room. Better you lock yourself in the room. Be a podgali, that's enough. In Tamil there are two words, odgali and podgali. When they are depressed, if they run away, they are odgalis. When they are depressed, if they run inside the room, they are podgalis. Being a podgali is much better than being a odgali. These are all Tamil village slang words. Understand? What do you carry? Whether it's a webinar or inner awakening level 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6, it all boils down to awaken your Kundalini. When every day when you fall asleep, let you drop yourself into the Kundalini snake. That is what Vishnu shows when he lies down on the Adisesha. He just drops himself in that Brahma Kundalini, the cosmic Kundalini energy. When you drop yourself in the cosmic Kundalini, all the auspiciousness of the world just presses your feet and does seva as Lakshmi. Embodiment of all the best things of the world is Lakshmi. She just presses your feet and does seva. Drop yourself in the cosmic Kundalini every day, every night. Drop yourself in the cosmic Kundalini snake. Some of the fellows are keeping their room so dirty. In their room, real snake may run around. How you feel? How you feel about the life? How you feel about you? How you exchange you? How you engage with you and life? How you share you with life? As I said, what you carry in your eyes, in your mouth, in your nose, in your face, gets shared without even you clicking the share button. If you come out, you don't need to put a separate share button. Share with all. Immediately it gets shared. Remember, every moment you are taking a selfie and sharing with all. In your life, every moment what you are carrying, you are taking a selfie and sharing with all. Maybe you can do this as a spiritual practice. Once in 10 minutes, continuously take selfie and share with all. Then you know that is what is happening in the cosmos. Then you will remember to carry. See, Smaranat Mukti, remembrance. The right remembrance immediately helps you to decide to be in a higher space, and constantly being in the higher space is Mukti. Forgetting is death, remembrance is life. Smaranat Mukti, Smaranat Mukti, Smaranat Mukti. Nothing else. When you forget, you are dead. The moment you remember, you are alive, enlightened. Maybe you can do this practice for 48 hours. Every 10 minutes, take a selfie and share. And remember, this is what is happening constantly. What you show in your face, what you carry in your face is constantly getting shared. Whether you are aware or not. So let you be aware of what you are carrying in your eyes and nose and mouth and face. At least because it is getting shared, you will start carrying the luxury of Kundalini. Luxury of Kundalini. Just to remember. Just to remember, nothing else. Just to remember. That is the practice. This word is the sutra, just to remember. That is the practice. That is the ritual. That is the sadhana. That is living. That is enlightenment. Remember, whatever you are carrying is constantly getting shared. Maybe next 48 hours, all of you practice. It will be good. Every 10 minutes, take a selfie and share with all. Every 10 minutes, take a selfie and share with all. After 4 or 5 hours, you will understand, oh God, this is what is happening in my life throughout. And I was not even aware. And remember to share that selfie in my page also. Because you know I am going to see it. Then you know what you should be carrying. Seeing your selfie, I can know very clearly. Are you carrying MIP or VIP? VIP is you. Everyone thinks they are VIP. VIPs. If you carry MIP, the most important person in you, I can see it. The red dot shows you are carrying MIP. Lal batti shows you are carrying VIP. Lal batti is red light. Whether there's a red light on your head or red dot on your head. Lal batti is the India, the red light culture. All the VIP cars, they will have the red light on the top. Just like the red light shows the VIP is in the vehicle, this red dot shows MIP is in the vehicle. This is the symbol of MIP is in the vehicle. Lal batti, red light shows VIP is in the vehicle. Lal bindi, red dot shows MIP is in the vehicle. Anybody asks, why are you guys keeping this red dot? Tell them. This is the Lal batti of MIP, most important person. This is the vehicle of the most important person. Understand. If you are carrying your ego, you think you are carrying a VIP inside you. If you are carrying the luxury of Kundalini, you are carrying the most important person inside you. With this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching and causing eternal bliss. Nityananda.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bengaluru. Phone 08027279999. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.